So Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good days to all the viewers. So my name is Muhammad Rafiq Razan. Right now in Inasis or College TM Telekom Malaysia in Sri Utara Malaysia. I just move up so I don't have the microphone with me. In fact, the microphone recorder need to be charged, but the charger I give to someone else and I must bought a new one, and it is on the way. So I record this not using any microphone. I hope you can hear it. The reason I'm doing this introduction is to clarify to some of you that didn't understand what happened in the Rafiq Razan channel. Okay, in this video I will start to introduce a new series which is called the painting tutorial. Okay, so I will teach some painting skills for you guys, and if we can see in Rafiq Razan channel there is a lot there is quite some series. Okay, we have flawless marathon series which will talking about how to be flawless only. That series is already at episode 5 and ongoing to episode 6. And we also have Videosalji series. Majority of Videosalji's video are made in Malay language because I want to enhance the local music industry in Malaysia or local movies in Malaysia in the future. And then we will have painting tutorial HQ, and then we will have music session. Music session is basically where I will create some music for the channel to be used in the introduction and in the whole of the video. The publishing of these videos are random. Sometimes I post flawless marathon first, another one, there are 5, another one, okay, which is DIY videos. DIY videos, I will teach you guys some DIY tips for you guys, to decrease cost of doing it, because you can do it yourself. So basically there are 5 series in this Rafiq Razan channel, and I hope you can understand and follow up with this channel. And if you don't like any of those series, you can just stick on one series only. For example, you're only interested in how to be flawless, so you just watch how to be flawless series, flawless marathon, and ahead I will continue with episode 6. And without further ado, let's hear some introduction for this painting tutorial video, for this painting tutorial series in Rafiq Razan channel. The most entertainment, local range, painting tutorial HQ with your host, the man that's run the show, the man that everybody know, the man that right here in the flesh, the man who is the very best. Drop your sound because it's about to go down right here, right now. It's Fox the champion. What is going on, everybody? It's been quite some time since I've made a video. I didn't check the last date of my last video, but anyway, I miss everyone. But I'm truly happy today to share with you guys the latest painting I've made, which is the Wind Warriors Wall. Well, Merdeka Days is going near, so I decided to paint this picture by using the 4 main color of Jalur Gemilang, which is white, red, blue and yellow. Well, let's back to the main focus about this video. Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good day to all of you, the viewers. So today is the first time of painting tutorial by me, so we will paint on this drawing paper, and if any drawing paper will do, but look at the GSM. Okay, first we must know how many GSM, and this is 180 GSM, which means it's quite durable and can withstand more water. It's not waterproof, but can withstand more water from the watercolor. So the first step is you need to prepare all your brushes and all your equipment. Just which is your brushes, palette, and the watercolor. But right now we have an issue, which is it's already what can we say, hard. So what we're going to do is put some water into this and all of this because it's already hard. So after that we'll see when I was ready. So this is an example, it's already hardened but we put water inside there. Okay, so and then we allow diffusion to occur and leave it. Okay, next we must prepare one sketch paper beside here. Okay, after listing what you need, and this is all what you need. Okay, and we'll start maybe draw something by using pencil, but don't put pressure on the pencil so that the drawing is not permanent. Okay, after we have done the sketch, base sketch, we will erase it with rubber or eraser so that the sketch are not permanent and just a light color of sketch. Okay, so we have erased, but if you realize the one we will color with black or darker color, leave it like this, and the one with light color just try to erase but still can be seen. Like this hand, like this face, and like this bicycle. And after this we will apply the first step in watercolor usage, which is the light color first. Light color to whole area of this drawing pad or drawing block. But of course after that we will focus on this one, the person face, and after that the whole body and bicycle, and then background, because without the person face, without the first person face already the whole painting will not be okay. So it is raining, so if you see this how many steps, this step is where you already put on some tone into your drawings. So after this we will put increase the tone of this drawing, and we'll see you there. This is the number one step I forgot. Then you do the grass. This one start put on some tone, and you try to put on increase the tone of each color that we have we have scroll on. For example, this one green, red, yellow, silver, and this one silver, this one black. All we enhance it. That's all. Okay, right now I put some lighting using yellow. So apply lighting to all of the place that you feel relevant. So we'll do it. Now we put some stress. This one yellow stress. After this all stress, then the drawing will be finished. Stress means strong color. Before going too far, I am applying white color. White. So white color to the rim. The shadow here, not shadow, light here, and in the trousers. You see this white? Wait up. It's not clear, but it must have the lighting we call. So after we finish, then we finish. Now we enhance the painting. So we color it more black. We'll see you there after finish. So there you go, we have finished. I guess the painting is not finished well, but I must finish early for the music lyric video, and this is all we got. I hope this video is beneficial for everyone, and I hope you all can try these steps so you can draw your own painting. And so thank you for watching, and in the future video, I guess to continue this painting tutorial, it will create some problem to me to get those stuff back, because all of the painting stuff, painting item, painting inventory at my home right now in campus, and we will try to continue in other way of this painting tutorial series. So upon that, my name is Muhammad Rafiq bin Razan, right now in TM, University Darul Malaysia, Kedah, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace out. Masing-masing takkan ngaku yang dia hipokrit. Aku tak kisah nak buat lagu mana, asalkan kau tak ungkit. Kini orang tua kita semua selalu sakit. Jomlah kawan, sekarang masa kita untuk bangkit. Tak payah engkau ungkit semua benda yang lepas. Aku tahu kau lemas sebab kita kena pakai mask. Tapi kau kena faham, hidup ini tak boleh over bebas. Sendiri cari pasal, sendirilah dapat nahas.